Hello Hong Kong and hello world. Today we are at Whampoa. We're gonna find that boat-shaped shopping center here in Whampoa. Froi and Geri! Fun fact, it's my first time to go inside. We've always seen that cruise ship-like shopping center, but we haven't been inside the walls. So today, let's explore together and let's get lost together. If I'm not mistaken, this is the mall itself. So from the MTR, you just go straight and find exit D1 and you're being led here. Guys, I'm not really sure if this is the mall, but we are already inside it. So later we will know if this is the boat-shaped mall. So we're inside a huge supermarket. I'm amazed. This is huge. Maybe this is by far the largest supermarket that I've been to here in Hong Kong. Imagine that. Guys, this is the fact here. Kamote is $49. Imagine, this is $49. Isang avocado is $13 times 7 pa or 6.6. Diba? Kaya, tingnan mo kung gaano siya kaliit. Sobrang liit. Unlike our avocados there na sobrang laki. Thank you. The reason why we are here inside, because we're gonna find those samples, free samples, diba? Sinong may ayaw dyan sa mga free samples? Sige daw, ang sasarap kaya, lalo na pag mga ice cream pa yung free samples. Though, hindi ko alam ano to, but let's try this if this tastes good. Guys, masarap yung sample. Ulam na pala yun. Sarap! Pwede pa ako maghanap dito ng iba at mabusog na lang dahil sa free samples. Actually, sabi na meron. Kasi parang ngayon, nagsarado na yata yung mga nagpapasample. Kasi late na. Kasi yun lang yung nakita ko eh. Or baka hindi ko lang nadaanan. So, let's go upstairs. Toy section. Wow! Kung naghahanap ka ng maraming toys, dito pala sobrang dami. Amazing. Kaso hindi pa namin makaka-relate kasi wala pa kaming anak. Tingnan nyo, Hello Kitty stuffs. And Barbie. And this is amazing because there's a baby room here. Ooh, interesting. baby stuffs here. Okay guys, eto na yung big reveal. If this is indeed the cruise ship mall. How I wish I can give justice to this. Oh, hindi pala siya klaro. Yan, kasi ano na, gabi na. See? That's the Whampoa ship. Nakadaong din siya guys, of course, sa land. How I wish I can give justice to that ship there. Wait, let me find a vantage point. Ooh, that's how huge that ship is. Better mag-exit kayo sa C2 guys, but if you want to go to that huge supermarket, then you exit at D1. But right across C2, this is the ship there. That's exactly the mall that I was referring about. pinapasukan natin kanina. Confirmed. Kanina, nasa supermarket tayo ngayon. Nandito na tayo sa mga kitchenwares. Magugustuhan to ng asawa ko kasi gusto niya magpupunta sa mga hardware, sa mga kitchenwares, sa mga bedroom spaces, mga ganyan. Gusto niya yan. Parang siya pa yung babae sa amin. Pero yan, this is heaven for my husband, I'm sure. Kasi meron dito makikita ng mga gamit sa bahay. Okay, let me just say that this is the largest AEON store. I don't know if I pronounce it right, but this is by far the largest AEON store that I've been to. And meron namang pampa-beauty. So, meron din mga makeup stuffs dito. This is Anakai's favorite. Para sa mga makeup lovers. If you're a makeup lover, you also have a place here inside this cruise ship-like mall. Ooh, look at that! That's so affordable, guys! $76 just take. Amazing. Rib eye, beef sirloin. Ooh. Coin dragon, how it works. Oh, is this the coin bank? Guys, this is somehow the coin machine wherein it will convert the coins into either octopus, credits, or cash. So this is amazing. They have one here. We have a coin dragon machine here. Alam mo yun, kasi pag marami kayong coins dito, mahihirapan kayo. In a way na hindi siya tatanggapin ng mga vendor sa wet market. Naiinit sila pag bibigyan mo sila ng coins. So, yung machine na yun, eventually will solve your problem. Kasi, i-change nila yung coins mo into bills or pwede mo siyang i-reload sa octopus mo. So, na-learn ko lang din yan kay Chris Lee. Hello sis! Finally, I've seen one here in Whampoa. So, pwede ka lang pumunta dito at nandun na yung machine. Isn't that amazing? Meron din naman mga sport shoes dito, guys. They have shoes here. There's ladies fashion. Guys, we highly recommend this place to you if you want a one-stop shopping for all your needs. So you definitely check this out. So kung feel niyo mag-shopping sa cruise ships, then this is the opportunity for you. You go here and experience this one-of-a-kind shopping center. So yun, meron pang babies dito eh. So that concludes our walking tour of the Whampoa Mall. So I hope that this video is helpful. So till our next one, bye! Don't forget to subscribe. Remember to be joyful always, prayerful at all times, and thankful in all circumstances. Stay awesome!